Alright, so Will got done coating this Model 3, so let me show you. I hope you guys can see it in the camera, but this Model 3 is so glossy. 2 layers of 9H, 1 layer of Ceramic Pro Light. Also clearbra'd the entire thing as well. Bumper all the way to the back bumper is completely clearbra'd. Not only does the owner not have to worry about rock chips and scratches in the front, but he doesn't have to worry about damages on the side or the back. And typically, damages on the side would be like door dings, and then damages in the back would be typically like, you know, taking things out of the trunk, grocery bags, luggage, possibly hitting it, shopping carts, things like that.
The next morning.
We're now gonna do my favorite part, which is the water beading test. I have a bottle of water, and we're just gonna make sure the coating is doing what it's supposed to be doing. I haven't even started yet, and the surface is so slick that when I throw the towel on it, it just kind of slides. So that's a good sign already. So if everything goes well, it should be beading water, right? So perfect little circles, should be sliding. It shouldn't be splattering. It shouldn't really be spreading. It should just kind of slide down effortlessly. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Imagine washing your car and you see this happening. I mean, you can just tell your drying process is gonna be so much faster. Like, this is cool. Look at that, perfect little circle. Man, that looks really good. All right, so I'm gonna try the trunk now. So we're at a different panel. Nice. It's so much fun. It's kind of windy out here, and you already see that it's already starting to just slide off. We also coated the spoiler too, which is why the spoiler is beading water here. And of course, besides the ceramic coating, we also did the clearbra'd on the full car. Having a clearbra'd and ceramic coating is definitely the ultimate combo.